Here we go again, another day, another project. We've got Liz over here taking baby goat pictures. She feels kind of bad. She's been a little behind on the whole baby goat thing. I've got to get down to the lotion room to fix up the new equipment. Then we'll work on the pig pen a little, but also bring out garbage. Just a typical day on the farm with a baby goat in Mom's lap. Mom, who do you have there?
Gunther, and he's hardly a baby.
He's hardly little. Oh, that doesn't look like a goat out there. They're not a thing.
Big ferocious beast.
That little project is done. So that was garbage. Dumpster guy's on the way. We switched to a dumpster like, oh my gosh. Never, this house has always been dumpster. See, we don't have normal trash pickup. It's not paid in your town taxes, so you have to hire somebody to do it. And you can either do garbage cans or dumpster. We switched to dumpster, I'd say 10, 15 years ago at our old house because our driveways are just so long. It's complicated to get the trash, and with so many kids and a lot of garbage, it's probably the best, one of the best little moves we've ever made. By the way, this came from a villager. It was on our wish list. Amazing. Look at it. Boop. And it fills the water bucket. Super easy to turn on, off, all the different ones. So that's our normal hose that fills all the buckets, ducts, waters, everything. This is our short hose. It's only like 3 feet to fill 5-gallon buckets. This is our hose that goes to the sink that people wash for goat snuggles. And this is the greenhouse. It's beautiful. I love it. Not sponsored. Now it's time to go work in the lotion room, which is not an exciting project for you guys. And set Angie up. I think she's helping us out down there today. She just got here. So I'll touch base with you guys a little bit with all of you villagers a little later. By the way, when I say villagers, if you don't feel like you are one, hit subscribe. That's all you got to do. That's it. Subscribe and you're part of the village. Man, I'm so unmotivated. There's like nothing I want to do but 10 things that need to be done. I guess it's time to work on the pig pen some more. I'm gonna have to go get the tractor. I'm on it alone today, so it's gonna be interesting. I don't know how far I'm gonna get, but let's see what we can do. I keep running out of time. Time lapse only goes for half an hour, so you guys keep missing a lot, but it's moving along. I gotta go see if I can have a truss hanger in the garage. Found it. There it is. That's gonna help us hang this truss from the middle because we don't have a beam in the middle of the room, in the middle of the building, right in here. You guys can't even see up there. Let's figure this out. Hang on. Hold still. Boop. Oh, geez. It's in. The truss carrier is installed. See that little guy? See? And then that'll hold the board like that. And then it'll swing out, hit the ladder, all the way over here to right there. Everyone on your best behavior. Mom's on the way.
Bless you.
Oh, sorry. Nice sweatshirt. Did you take that from one of the kids? That is... There's one that's like an hour old.
Now, Stella.
There she is. There's Stella. Stella's like, I love her. Not bad progress for the day. How's it going, ladies?
Good.
Good? Good. Piggies are on their way. Yep, this is the frame. Just like every other building we built, like House of Pie, the chicken coop, the farm store. Actually not the farm store. This is the frame, and then we put the 2x4s going this way, and then we put the roof on top. And that's it for today. I'm done. Other than possibly going to get more supplies.
That's funny because that's exactly what I said. I finished what I was doing inside. I was like, I'm done.
Yep, done. Could be cocktail time. Or lollipop time.
Cool.
I meant popsicle. I said that wrong.
Yeah.
I meant popsicle. Okay, go get popsicle.
Yay.
Go get popsicle. See you later. Bye. Hey, say bye to the village.
You're never going to get them now. You say lollipop or popsicle, they're out. They're not going to say bye to
Yep,
anybody.
they're gone. We gotta cut these off. And then I'm done for the day. These angles, this one, that one, that one, that one. That's it, just those. Tyler, nice job. Try again. Okay, don't hurt yourself because I'm not on time lapse now.
I barely grip on.
Whoa!